This is just a quick video to talk about the Sharkbite digital FPV system and the fact that there has been a massive price drop on the goggles mount receiver. That means you can now get into digital FPV for as little as $169. Now, if you don't know what Sharkbite is, it is the digital FPV system from Fat Shark that is based on HD0 technology from DiviMath. When it released, it had a goggles mount module, which cost $250. It had the VTX, which was about $89, and you had the basic camera, which was $50. This was their digital FPV system, and whilst I'm not going to say it's a direct competitor to DJI, it is one that offers some benefits over DJI because it uses fixed latency. There is no variable latency at all. So whilst the DJI system might be better for some users, this one does have some massive benefits as well. Now, over the last couple of weeks, we've seen a lot of noise around this system because you've just had the release of these, the Scout HDs from Fat Shark, that have that module receiver built in as standard, and it is the first set of goggles from Fat Shark that has a full digital receiver built in. Now, the interesting thing with these was they cost just $250 in themselves, and it made it the cheapest way to get into the FPV because you could get these goggles, the receiver and the camera, for $350. However, we have just had a price drop on this module that puts this down to $99, and you can get this from various retailers. Now, just before we jump over to look at that, I do want to say that if you are interested in taking a look at a review on these, I am going to be putting out my thoughts, a complete teardown and review of these goggles, which are the Scout HDs from Fat Shark, over the next couple of weeks. So if you are interested in seeing that, please do hit the subscribe button. Anyway, if we jump over to the desktop, you can now see on Get FPV, you can now get a full Fat Shark system for an existing set of goggles for $169. That is the module for the receiver that fits on the front of the goggles via HDMI, the Whoop 200 milliwatt style board, and the small run cam camera. Further to that, you can get just the goggles mount module for $99. So rather than actually buying the package, you can do it that way as well. This has also been available at Newbie Drone Store, and it's also available on AliExpress as well if you're interested in getting it. And whilst these prices are shown at UK at the moment, it is the same cost, and it's £74 or $99 or £148 for the full kit. Now, we don't know the full reason why this has dropped in price because, frankly, it is an astonishing price because I've actually done a teardown on both these goggles and I've seen a teardown of the other module as well. And there is an FPGA in this that costs over $100 in itself. And whilst they might be getting a discount on that, I firmly believe selling this at $99 is a loss for them. I don't see how it isn't. And I can only think this is a way of them wanting to drive more adoption of the system. As a user, frankly, if you're interested in getting into digital FPV, this is the time, especially if you want to do it on a budget. And whilst the nano camera that does come with that system isn't ideal, there is a new camera coming from HD0 in the next couple of weeks, which really does push the system forward. And I will be talking about that camera on this channel as well. So this kit for $169 will get you up and running, but there is much more options around the corner, and it's a good way to get into it if you do already have a set of goggles with the HDMI input. However, if you don't, you can get the Scout HDs. Whilst these are PVT, they still are available on Get FPV if you are interested. Anyway, that's it for this one. Please do let me know your thoughts. If you'd like to support the channel, there are links to Patreon as well as Buy Me a Coffee in the description as well. If you're interested in getting it, I'll put a link to Get FPV. There's a link to AliExpress as well. Please do give me your thoughts on the comments of this video as well of what you think about the fact that you can get this module for $99.